Hello dear students, good morning. How are you my dears? I hope you are very well at your home. Your study is going well. Class 8th English medium schools. Your topic is correct form of the verb. And in previous classes I have taught you three tenses. One is present indefinite tense, second is present continuous tense, and third is present perfect tense. Your topic is correct form of the verb. Correct form of the verb. And today we will study present perfect continuous tense. Dear students, to fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb, we have to know what adverbs are used in a tense. We cannot use tomorrow in past tense. We cannot use yesterday in future tense. So, the adverbs of time that are used in tenses in a sentence which are fixed. Today, we will study in present perfect continuous tense what are the adverbs of time which are used and what are the helping verbs which will be filled in the blank. Dear students, in present perfect continuous tense have been plus MB first ing. Has been, have been plus MB first ing are the helping verbs which are used in this tense, but adverbs of time are since, are for, but after them there should be or must be any time. Mind it my dear students, since and for are used as a preposition, but they are also used to connect two sentences. These two words shows the meaning of another word, that is because. माने थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करते हैं, सिंस और फोर प्रपोजिशन के अलावा ये दो वाक्यों को जोड़ने का काम भी करते हैं। जैसे प्रपोजिशन में तो इनका अर्थ होता है से या के लिए, जबकि दो वाक्यों को जोड़ने के लिए सिंस और फोर का अर्थ होता है क्योंकि। क्या होता है? क्योंकि। आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. इन द एग्जाम्पल दीज टू वर्ड्स will connect two sentences. I came late since my bike got a puncture. I came late since my bike got a puncture means because my bike got a puncture. There is a reason that I came late because my bike got a puncture. So, you can also use since or for in place of because, but in correct form of the verb we never use these two words to connect two sentences. In correct form of the verb, since or for are always used to express adverb of time, means to say after since or for you will get a time. Dear students, the tense, in this tense any work begins in past tense and it continues even in present tense and in future it will also continue, and we do not know the time, for which time, till the time the work will continue. So in reality the tense expresses three of the tenses: past tense begins, present tense continues, and future tense continues. That is why this is known present means present tense, perfect means past tense, continuous means future tense, because it begins in past tense, that is why it is perfect. It continues in present tense, that is why it is present, and it continues also in future, that is why it is known as continuous tense. So we will take some examples. I blank, and the first form of the main verb is teach. Since morning. This is the sentence, dear students. The sentence is, I teach you since morning. In this sentence, here morning is time and since is the adverb of time. If there is time and before time you find since or for, then it is known present perfect continuous tense. So in blank we will write have been and teaching. Okay, next. She blank read the Ramayana since last night. Dear students, in this sentence, since is given like the way since is given, and the time in this sentence is morning, while in this sentence time is last night. Mind it, if you do not get since or for, but you get last time, then you will always use past indefinite tense. The helping verbs or main verbs of past indefinite tense if you find only last plus time. But with last and time, if you get since or for, then you will use the helping verbs of present perfect continuous tense. I have already told you the work begins in past tense, but you will not use the helping verb and main verb of past tense in this type of sentences. You will use only and only the helping verbs and main verbs of present perfect continuous tense. Okay? She has been reading. She has been reading the Ramayana since last night, means the work began last night, means in past. The work is still continues. Continuing is still in present tense, but we do not know till the time it will continue in future. We don't know, because she is reading, but you will not use she is reading. You will use she has been reading, because the sentence has since in the sentence before the time. The third sentence is They this is the sentence. They play chess for half an hour. In this sentence, 4 is given here, and this is the time half an hour. This is the time half an hour. Before time here 4 is used. Dear students, 4 is used here. So this shows the present perfect continuous tense. They have been playing chess for half an hour. Okay, dear students, this is the sentence. Next sentence. Kavita for 10 minutes. Kavita write a poem for 10 minutes. Here is 4 preposition before time. You will always use has been writing. The work began before 10 minutes. Means the work began in past tense. That is why it is on present perfect continuous tense. Okay, dear students, I think that you got this tense or you got all the sentences here from the blackboard. You can copy the sentences while pausing the video. You can also take the screenshots. I think that you are very well and you are taking or getting these sentences, these topics in or through the internet, through the channel prescribed by Galaxy Institute of Science. Okay, dear students, with these words I finish my class. Thank you.